Hi, folks. Got a really brief one I want to show you. I just got something working and it's just so neat I got to share. Here we've got my the application I wrote to replace a Google spreadsheet so that I can track my job applications. And here we have a typical set of job posts. You go into here and you click on search and whatnot, and it brings up something like this. And you got embedded in here information about not only this job, but a bunch of other things and a bunch of tracking information. But when you take a look at, for example, this one, that's actually not the best one. Let's see about this one. Notice the URL is much shorter, much cleaner. And so normally I click here and I go over here and I, you know, try to get it to this form and then I copy that highlighted bit. But here, I could take either one of those and paste it into there. And rather than having to try to copy and paste caps lock and back in PHP developer, I just go click. And here we have down it, the backend server downloaded the page using some nifty tricks, got the source for the page, and scraped it to get the name of the company, the developer, and following some rules that have been developed, it figured out there was the URL for the actual job post. So I could sit here and I could proceed to do my other notes and such. I could have even tried to train it to pull out some bullet points into the notes here, but I've not gotten that far yet. Now, this is just for LinkedIn right at the moment, but I'm going to be doing the same thing with Glassdoor and ZipRecruiter and all the other sites. But the fact that I got it working at all, in spite of the folks at LinkedIn trying to keep this sort of thing from going on, is rather nice. I just hope that they don't come up with even newer tricks that I have to learn more about. But thought I'd share that.